Hi, so here is another latest update from the ongoing dualization of Amawbia down to Ekulobia Road. So for quite a long time now, we have not given you guys any latest update from this road dualization. So yesterday we decided to go there and cover and bring you guys some latest updates. So kindly follow up this video. Let's go. So guys, I started this filming just after Nanka Nehru Stadium between Nanka and Agulu boundary. That is where I started this filming from, because my major focus we are between that axis heading down to Amawbia side. So one thing I noticed on this road, even before this Xmas, was that a lot of patching were done on the road, which is not supposed. They did a lot of patching on that road, before the road started shining like this, like I suggested on my previous video which I made about the Oga section axis. I talked about this patching of 18 after the road completion, which I said if it is possible they should have done another asphalting on top of the already existing asphalted ones, so to make the road more durable. But I think they mostly love to do patching where the road has crack. So before the Xmas, before the 25th, I apply on this road and I noticed that they were doing a lot of patching on this particular road, especially on the axis that has cracked already. So but now I think they are done with the most of the places that they were patching, and they are done with it, and the road is sparkling again. But the major concern about everything is the durability aspect of it. So from this Agulu, at some point the road become very very nice, merely looking at them. At some point from Nixie down to Amawbia axis, you notice that the same thing started happening, especially before what was that place called, before that government house around that Amawbia. You notice that another cracked were done over there, and they have to remove that cracked section, and they started re-asphalting it, but they are not currently working on it right now because I think they have went for holidays. So maybe by next year when they are back on holiday, when they are back from holidays, they will resume with the work. So my previous suggestion was that after this asphalting they should have put another one on top of it for durability purpose. That is my suggestion previously, but since they did not do it, I think they prefer that patching aspect of it. So what do I have to say? I'm not in charge of it. I'm only concerned about it. So the next thing I want to talk about on this particular area is the flowers planted at the middle of the road. I don't know who is handling that particular project or whom they are giving it to, but honestly, the person need to do better. He needs to do better jobs. The reason why you are planting flowers at the middle of the road is to beautify the area. But right now, that is not what I'm seeing, because they will just plant the flowers anyhow and leave it like that, and within 2 weeks or 3 weeks the whole flowers will die off. Some will survive, some will not survive. I'm sure majority of them will die off, like majority will not survive. That is one thing I notice here. Like that's one they did along that Ochanja towards Ebuka axis. There's nothing like flower over there again. Like everything has died off. None of them survive around that area. I remember making video about it and complain about it. A lot of people come under my comment section and started blabbing, dragging, and talking whatever they want. That it is no rainy season yet. That due towards the rainy season, the thing we germinate and whatever. And we are gone past 2025 raining season, and the flower do not survive, so they are all dead and gone. And the same thing is what I'm noticing here. Almost 80 to 90% of the flowers planted along this area has died off. So they don't actually take care of it. They just plant it the way they want to plant it, and then they left. They don't care. And it's very very uncalled for. The reason why you are doing it is to beautify the area, and you must make sure as you are planting it, you must nurture the flower until the thing survive and beautify the location. That is the target, and not just planting it and leaving it to die and then you leave. That is very, very bad. So this is Mwago Junction. This is Mwago Junction. The roundabout that was, that was constructed over here, we are removed. Then now they have put another one around this place. So from that Mwago Junction heading towards Adaziana, or maybe others, around Adas. So another dualization is also going on there. Some section of it has been completed though, while some has not been completed. And when last I visited the area, I noticed something also. The road was not very, very clean. It was not looking so nice. Even this area is even more nicer than that side. So I don't know the company handling that project. The people that are handling this particular axis is even more good than that particular ones, because I'm noticing a lot of gallops on already completed routes. A lot of gallops. So I'm yet to know if they will go back there and do another asphalting on top of that one, or that is the final coating. I'm yet to understand, because the thing is not eye catchy at all. It's not eye catchy, I can't lie. I apply on the road and what I saw there is not high catchy. It's not even commendable. I can't commend that particular one. I'm even commending this one more than that one, honestly, because apart from few mistakes they made in some few sections, the rest of the road is given, at least is eye catching, even if it's not durable, but at least is eye catching. When you are looking at it, the whole thing will be looking more beautiful. So another thing I would like to comment on this road of 18, especially on the entire road in Anambra State, is can we just kindly start trying to sweep off our road? This sand of 18 is becoming somehow, honestly, all the roads are filled with sand. Even yesterday road that was completed in Anambra State, within 24 hours you will find sand on it. Why? Can we just make it mandatory that the Department of ASEPA is not their job alone will not be entering into market, dragging people's generator, dragging people that are not paid, while you are not even keeping the environment clean. You can't just go to people's shops and be dragging their gens, seizing their property while the environment still looks too dirty. What is your work then? If they cannot keep the environment clean, why are they collecting payment from people? That is my major concern. So these are some of the things they have to look into. It's not just going to people's shop and be dragging their properties with them, asking them to pay while you have not done the right thing. So that is what we need to focus. At least when you construct a road, let's try and keep that road clean. Like this place we are currently running on right now, you can see that at least some section of it is quite neat, and when you are running on them and watching this video, you see how clean and neat it is. Let's make it mandatory to keep our road very, very clean. So it's very, very necessary. So guys, from here we'll be heading down towards that I think Nise Amawbia axis. So you see the sections where they have removed the asphalted section, the cracked side of it, to fix another one, which I told you guys that they are currently on holidays. Maybe when they are back by next year they will complete it. So, and when I have another time, I will also visit the Anyocha axis also to make another coverage around that place. Maybe that will be my first coverage, because I've never did any coverage around that area. And also I made a short video that I have posted. You can go and watch them. Another dualization is ongoing, started from Agulu down to Sofia, Ebuka, and I think OKTT also. So I made a short clip about that area. I think the gutter construction has gotten to Ebuka, heading towards OKTT and the rest. So I'll also make video concerning that axis. So looking at the road is very, very shiny, very, very okay, and what have you. My major concern, like I keep repeating, is the durability. Even if other things did not come in place, but let the road be more durable. That is my major concern. So at least to last. Let it not be every 4 years another governor will enter and construct road. Every 4 years another governor will come. Let us do our road at least to be giving us 15, 10, 12 years guarantee or whatever, so that when next governor come in, he will focuses on other projects. We have a lot of projects to be done in Anambra State, not just road. So that is my own concern. So guys, very soon we will arrive at that particular place. Even around this particular place, before that newly constructing market, we still see another few cracked section of this road, which I covered on one of my last video I made about this particular area. I talked about it, which I mentioned that drainage system were not constructed around this area. They just channel everything into bushes and people's farm. So there's a lot of sections that are also cracking around this area, which if they did not work on them, we also got back as time goes on. So that is it. So if you have watched this video to these sections, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, share the video to get to wider audience, and give us your own thing concerning what we have presented and from what you have watched from the from the video. So thank you guys for standing by us, and don't forget to keep following us. Click on the notification button to get notified anytime we publish any latest updates from our channel. So the next thing I will want to also advise my fellow citizens is that everything must not be done by government. As the government is doing their own, let also desist from dropping sand on the already completed road. Because you are constructing a building or whatever does not give you the the whatever they call it to be dropping sand, the sand you want to use for your building on the top of already completed road. So such habit should be avoided. It's not nice at all. I don't support such. So this is the section of it. So this particular area was cracked, and you can see that they have removed it. I can see that dust is everywhere, so they have removed it and they are yet to start reasphalting the area. So from here, very soon we will get to the Adam and Eve roundabout, and that is where I ended this video. So kindly drop your own take via the comment section, and if you have any other question to ask us, don't forget to ask us via the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Thank you all.